again guys, without so much na po, eto na, ikwento ko sa inyo, na-meet ko po ang Herbalife, that was 10 years ago. Ako po ay dating full-time empleyado at part-time po ako na hair and makeup artist. Please take a mental note of this life-changing event. It's called Spectacular. No? So, tong event na to, hindi ako nag-attend noon, but I was their hair and makeup artist noong mga panahon na yan. No? And I was invited by Mother Erlene Balange. I said yes, no, to her invitation. Amazing lang. Naalagaan kami sa isang nutrition club dito sa Quezon City. Yung na-share sa inyo kanina, no, ni Coach Cecil, di ba, yung mga options. So kami sa nutrition club yon. Amazing kasi 10 days, 4 pounds kaagad yung na-lose, nag-improve yung energy level, di ba? And fast forward po tayo, 30 pounds, 8 inches sa akin bewang nabawas, nag-improve yung reproductive health, yung energy, nag-improve din. Hindi ko gusto sa lifestyle ko talaga dati guys, napakahilig ko sa fast food, sa mga Andy Rice, no? And dito sa Herbalife ko natutunan, no, ang magkakaroon ng magandang relationship sa pagkain at nutrisyon. At syempre, pati sa pagkakaroon ng supportive community. I think yun yung isa sa pinaka-best part ng naging journey ko dito. 'Di ba? Kaya I'm really so excited. Kasi dun sa community na yan, 'di ba, sabi nga, hindi yung na-achieve mo, no? Hindi yun ang nagmamatter talaga. Ano yung naging ikaw nung na-achieve mo yun? I think that's one of the best things that we could ever do, 'di ba? So yan, sabi ko nga dito, no? Kasabay ng hindi magandang timbang, pati hindi magandang pag-uugali na babawasan, diba? Kaya sobrang excited ako, mas babait. This 2025, di ba? Mas magiging focus at discipline also to really reach out and help more people in our community to become healthier and happier. And I have my nutrition club, home nutrition club here in Quezon City, no? So that's why I really love Herbalife Nutrition. By the way, yung mga favorite products, syempre halos lahat naman yan, di ba? Lahat ng products natin, napakaganda. Pero yung isa, nakita niyo naman kanina, yung Aloe Tea Shake, the NRG, no, yung Nightworks, at syempre yung sa skincare natin, no. Sobrang amazing po yan, guys. Sige, so move on na po tayo dito sa aking topic today. Type 1 if you are ready. Sige nga. Ready na kami, Coach T. Alright, ready. Happy New Year. Okay, sige po. So, sabi nga dito, how to make New Year's resolution that stick. Okay? And by the way, this came from Dr. Kent Bradley, no? Our former Chief Health and Nutrition Officer. Okay? So, paki-take note po yan, ha? So, guys, na-experience nyo ba ito? Di ba, we are so fired up pag-start ng taon, no? Bago mag-start ng taon, ito yung mga gusto kong gawin. Diba? Ay, promise ko talaga, ma-achieve ko na yung ideal weight ko. Diba? Promise ko talaga, makakapag-ipon na ako. Ganyan. Diba? Madami tayong, like we really want to do better. Okay? For next year. And of course, ito sa topic natin today for 2025, di ba? Meron pa tayo, nagbabaw pa tayo, promise, no? Nagbo-volunteer ka pa, di ba? May mga ganyan pa tayo, no? So, sabi ni Dr. Kent, worthy naman yung mga goals na yon, di ba? However, please take note of this. If you totally overhaul your life in January, just imagine lahat ng gusto mong baguhin, ginawa mo siya ng January, okay? There is a good chance your motivation will fade by February. Okay, take note of that, ha. Ito yung sinasabing one time, big time, gusto mo agad makuha lahat. Okay? Ngayon, ano yung isang na note dito, no? Keep your New Year's resolutions all year long. You spread it out. Okay? By taking small steps. Okay? Take note. Pakiulit. Taking small steps and by enlisting social support. Okay? This is very important. Okay, it's not just yung meron kang goal, but please take note, okay, that you also list down ang iyong social support. Okay, yan po siya, no? So ngayon, eto na yung mga tip na binigay ni Dr. Kent, okay? So number 1, get specific. Okay, may I know, dito sa room na kasama natin, type nga kayo ng 1 dyan, puro 1 na. Okay, type kayo ng 1. Okay, kung itong nandito sa kabila, yan ang naisulat nyo sa goal ninyo. Nitong 2025, para doon sa mga nagsulat. Diba? So sabi ni Dr. Ken, eat healthier, diba? Or become healthier, ganyan, is actually not specific. Okay? So yung tip niya sa atin, diba? Parang tubig, diba? Eat what? No? How much? No? So sabi niya dito, set specific, okay, goal, such as eat 1 extra serving of vegetables. Wow. 5 days a week. Okay? The more specific the goal, okay, the easier it is to stay focused. Okay? So, syempre, pag specific naman talaga yung goal natin, no? So, question is, did you achieve your goal for 2 weeks straight? Okay? So, you share your accomplishment on your favorite social, nakalagay din dito, channel, no? Yung mga likes daw, ganyan, yung mga loves and notes of encouragement will keep you excited about your plan. Okay? So, yan yung sa sa number 1 niya. Ito yun. Yung binasa ko sa inyo kanina. Okay, so guys, you may take a screenshot of this. But, kung may nag-aalaga na po sa inyo na coach, no? You ask for a copy of this kasi pwede nila kayong padalang. Okay? Sige po. Ngayon, number 2. Okay, ang ganda ng topic talaga natin. Number 2 is start small. Okay, start small po. So, if you want to exercise more, okay, sabi niya dyan, don't go from 3 days of walking to 7 days of running and strength training. O, di ba? Diba? So, parang sinasabi natin, parang, ano naman kaagad, yun nga yung gusto mo kaagad ng one time, big time. Diba? Na mabago, no? Or ma-achieve itong goal mo na ito. Okay? So, ano yung note niya dito? We can start by adding 1 day of aerobic exercise or strength training per week. No? And then you could build up incrementally. Okay? Setting goals you think you can keep until you reach your ultimate target. Okay? So, nag-gain ka ba ng any insights along the way? Kasi di ba, sabi nga, no, like if you create your vision board, yeah, it's a very good thing that we have that vision board, but we also need to visualize that it's actually a journey. Diba? So, journey siya. Na kailangan ding ma-visualize mo yung sarili mo, sarili natin, diba? Na ginagawa mo siya, no? Yung mga challenges, diba? Yung mga valleys and slopes, diba? Yan yung mga natin. Okay. Sige po. And then, number 3, okay? Get social. Ayun. Get social talaga. Huwag ka pong magsolo. Don't isolate yourself, okay? So join your company's lunchtime walking group to hit your steps goal, no? So if you have this company or mga group of friends mo, di ba, sa workplace mo, di ba? If you don't have yet, start it from you. So ikaw na yung mag-initiate, no? Sa mga kasamahan mo sa work, no? So wag ka na mag-antay ng wag ka nang mag-antay na ay, wala kasi, so ako hindi ko siya gagawin. Diba? So, ikaw na yung mag-initiate, okay? Ano pa, enroll in a dance class, shalan, or grab a friend and hit the trails for a hike, no? So, eto, may mga nakikita ko, mahilig din sa mga hiking, no? And of course, yung running, diba? Sabi nga, ngayon, yung era, diba? 2024, running, diba? So, yan. Ano pa? On Facebook, no, you can find dozens of weight loss and healthy lifestyle support groups, okay, where you can seek and offer support, okay? At syempre, just like what we have here, no? So this virtual nutrition club is actually a support community for you guys, no? Kaya lagi nga nating ini-encourage, imagine niyo from Tuesdays to Sundays, your coaches are actually committed to serve, diba? Because we really want to stay connected with you. So make sure that you are stay connected also sa ating community. Hindi kayo makapasok dito sa Zoom natin, di ba? Pwede kayong manood ng FB Live. You just request for free access to that, okay? Tapos meron din siya dito nilagay. Committing to a regular class or group activity keeps you accountable. Okay? So, very important din yung you have a sense of accountability. Okay. Next po natin. Ito na, di ba? Share your progress, di ba? Huwag mo siyang suluhin. No? So, you'll stay motivated and garner supporters along the way. no? And you're also likely to stick with your program when you promise to share your progress with your followers, di ba? So parang nandun yung ano mo, parang nagkaroon ka tuloy na, hindi, kailangan talagang mapanindigan ko to. Di ba? May ganyan, ano? And of course, you may even inspire. I think ito yung isa sa best part nitong share your progress eh. Not really yung parang put yung pressure din sa'yo, no? But yung intrinsic din yung motivation, may tinatawag tayong ganyan, because you also want to inspire your friends, lahat ng mga nandun sa community mo, di ba? To join you dyan sa journey to a healthier you, di ba? So mayroon dyan sample na hashtag, hashtag nailed. Diba? Nailed it. O, diba? So yan po siya. No? At syempre, ito, pwede po ba kayong, pwede bang i-type nyo dito sa ating chat box? If meron kayong ginagamit na app at anong app yung ginagamit ninyo, no? Na pwede ring makatulong, no? Kasi yung mga fitness apps, this can also give us the extra push that we need to stay focused, no, on your goals long term. Diba? Kasi one step at a time, diba? You focus on yung ngayon muna, diba? You focus on today, diba? So yan, so nakakatulong din tong app na to, guys, diba? So by the way, if you haven't installed it yet, we have the Herbalife Hub, no, the active lifestyle tracker. Okay? Meron din tayo dyan yung MyFitnessPal, Lose It, or kung ano yung ginagamit ninyo, guys. No, pakitype dyan sa ano natin. So other people could also see. Okay? Ngayon, ano pa? Ito, cut yourself some slack. Okay? So, sabi lang din dito, so you had a bad day and consoled yourself with a talagang pint ng ano, no, ice cream of Rocky Road. Okay? Don't beat yourself up. Okay? When you commit to a healthier lifestyle, you don't have to be perfect. Take note of that. Okay? Missteps are normal. Okay? So, kung ay, medyo nalihis kang konti, 'di ba? Huwag mong like parusahan yung sarili mo. Okay? So it's really normal, no? Missteps are normal. Shake it off, 'di ba? And get back on track tomorrow. Okay? So yan po siya. Sabi ko nga, be more forgiving of yourself. Kasi sometimes, eto din yung isa sa ano natin, 'di ba? Sa isang challenge natin, no? Hindi natin masyado na forgive ang ating self agad-agad. But others, no, we can. Okay, but please take note of that, ha? Kasi ang best friend na, kasama natin parati, bukod kay Lord, di ba? Siyempre yan, yung katawan na yan, no? Yan talaga ang kasama natin. Kaya kailangan talaga maging mag-best friend. Okay, so yan po yung ano natin dyan. Okay? Ngayon, eto pa. Yung sinasabi po natin, okay, wait lang nga. Eto, no? So, yung on the flip side, 'di ba? Reward yourself when you hit certain milestones. 'Di ba? So, it's very important. Kasi 'di ba? Okay, medyo nalihis ka ng landas. Okay, yun yung kanina. Ngayon, what if naman? No, what if naman na hit ko ito? No, nasabi ko, this week I will lose 2 pounds. Okay? Tapos nung nag-weigh in na kayo ng coach mo sa nutrition club, 'di ba? Na-hit mo yung 2 pounds na yon. Okay, dito sabi nga 5 pounds, no? Okay yan, na-achieve mo yung exercise goals for 30 days, no? So you can treat yourself to a massage. Okay, not to eat all you can. Take note of that, ha? Massage, hindi daw eat all you can. Okay, kung mga girls dyan, pwede mga nails, di ba? Alam na, no? Yan, mga boys, yan. May mga boys din na nagpapanails at nagpapabasahe. No? So don't forget to treat yourself also. Okay? Reward yourself. Ayan po. Ayan. Sabi dito ni Dr. Bradley, by setting specific, achievable goals and by seeking support from your social network, you can turn those New Year's resolution into a long-term, healthy lifestyle. No? I think nababanggit ko din ito sa inyo. It's not a short-term diet, 'di ba? Actually, what we're doing is really not a diet, 'di ba? It's really a lifestyle change, no? Yan talaga yung ano natin. Yan talaga yung journey natin. Okay? Para ma-achieve natin, 'di ba? Yung mas healthier, mas stronger, mas fit, 'di ba? Na tayo. Okay? So yan po. So you stay connected to your community, to your coach, no? And just to add, also, para din mas mas mag-stick, don't miss joining yung mga mini challenges ng mga coaches ninyo, di ba? So yeah, meron kami like the Mission Healthier and Fit Citizens, no? Yung mga 10 days, weight loss challenge, weight loss marathon, 15 days, 21 days. So ask your coach about it, guys. Ask in. It's really amazing that you have a community to journey with you. Okay, just imagine kung mag-isa ka lang, wala ka talagang support, no? Hindi talaga, mahirapan talaga na mag-stick sa New Year's resolution na yan. Okay? Always remember, you're not alone and we are here with you. Ayan. So with that being said, I think I'm done. Ayun, teka lang, let's